your IRA. We also use stocks, vehicles, or other year-end contributions that help build a strong future for Discover Classical. Please make a special capital gift today that will preserve and grow for many years to come.
Expect a high temperature in the lower 30s today, as well as on New Year's Day. Might see some snow again late tonight and into the new year around midnight. Again, 30s over the weekend, too. Some music by Sir Edward Elgar as our top 100 countdown continues and making it number 14.
So now we have the rice water and I put my 99% pure water wipe in it because I'm gonna use it just to kind of lay on my face, but I'm gonna use this water as a toner. Look at these lines, look at this. Okay. Now, I also have a spray bottle that I have put some of the rice water in as well, just to kind of spray throughout the day. Because I won't put any makeup on. Today is New Year's Eve. I won't put any on until I get ready to party, okay? So here we go. Now, it definitely smells like rice. I'm gonna bring it all the way around. Up into the hairline. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to put this. I think I'm gonna tear it and I'm gonna put it on my, I'm gonna rinse it a little. I'm gonna put it on my forehead because that is where I see the most lines in my face. Okay, so we're just gonna let that sit. And you know, I can break this up. This is a nice little size though. Okay. So we're gonna put this on the smile lines. Now I've had these forever. These little smile lines. Put it here, right around my nose. And I actually should take it up onto my scar or wear mark. All right, do that. And this. Now, I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then I will be back. I should put some over my pores, but we'll deal with that another time. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and I'm going to take that off, take this off, this off, and I am just going to use one of my natural fiber 99% pure water wipes to just wipe my face to remove any residue. Okay. And I have pure organic castor oil that I'm going to use as a moisturizer. This is from the Heritage Store, cold pressed, vegan, and cruelty free. Now, I don't mind my face being oily. I love it. Also, I am lash free, so I am rubbing it across my eyes and my lash line. Okay. Now I am going to wax this today. Yeah. And here you go. Me, raw and unfiltered. And this is 60